Hi guys, so as promised I'll do a video of my welfare van to stealth camper van. As you can see, it looks just like any other normal transit van. I'll take you around the other side. Nothing flash. I kept it simple, as they say, keep it simple stupid, and I'm really pleased with it. Pleased how it's turned out. You can see it's just a normal van, but inside it's a different story. The door. As you can see inside, it's a fully functional camper. And I'm really pleased with it. I'm pleased as punch how this has turned out. There you go. Now I'll take you on a tour. So here it is. Here's my van tour. It took me about 2 months to build this, and that's 2 months solid, no work. Took 2 months off work to do it, and that's every day. Some nights working till midnight. I wanted lots of space, that's why I chose this sort of layout. I kind of made it up as I went along because I wanted as much room as I possibly could to stand up in, get changed and all that good stuff. Okay, we'll start at the front. This is a slider, so when I'm stealthy camping, no one can see what I'm doing inside. No light gets in, no light gets out. There you go. And I can jump in and out if need be. I can like make an exit, I'll jump through there easy. I'm still quite nimble, even though I'm old. Up above here I've got a normal cupboard. That cupboard was already in the van. That's one of the things I left. Not too keen on the grey, but I found these grey blinds that kind of match. So that was quite nice. I'll open this up, a bit more light. There we go. Put some light in. Oh, this stuff in the sink. This is the wood dye that I used for the panelling, covered with lacquer. It turned out really well. I'm really pleased with how it looks. I love the rustic look. Very pleasing, I thought. The only cupboard I actually brought from B&Q was this one up here. I did cheat. I didn't build that, I brought that. It's so cheap, I thought what's the point in messing about. Well, let's buy one. So that's the cupboard. Yes, got some. Oh, got to line it up. Shelves in there. I thought I'd do this video before I fill it up with all my rubbish. Solar, like, yeah, let's start with the power first. Solar controller. There you go. That's me right now. Happy boy. Heat controller for night time. And when we had all that snow, I only had to put it on one. And it was plenty warm enough. I think if I put it on 4, it'd be like a sauna in here. Hand basin. That controls, that turns the power off to the tap. There you go. Just to show it works. I've made a little fan, extractor fan, from a 5-volt desktop fan. That turns it off. I know it says microwave, but this panel's out of the original welfare van. Why not use it? It's there. And that turns that off. There you go. I made that from a desktop fan. Really and it works really well, so I'm quite pleased with that. The bed is a standard size double mattress, memory foam mattress. So, and I had to cut, I think it was 4 inches off the end to make it fit from side to side. So it's not quite 6 foot across, but with me I sleep with my head there and my feet there quite comfortably. No problems at all. But if I did want to stretch out, all I have to do is reach under here and slide my extender out. There you go, that extends out. Cushions on there, 6 foot. There you go. Simple, really. Simple solution. And that is supported by this comes out, and when you slide that out, it sits on top of there to support the weight. That end, the other end, it just simply sits on top of there. And the oven's out of a yacht. Look at that beast. And it's on a gimbal, so if I'm parked on a slant, it still levels itself out, like I am now. I'm parked on a bit of a slanting road, so. And that oven works beautiful. I've done some right nice roast potatoes in that, and pies. Oh, and there's the one down here. That's the vent for the nighttime heater. There's my little cupboard there for my pots and pans. I might show you because it's a mess. This cupboard is for under the sink, my grey water tank, which is in the boot. I'm not using it at the moment. It just runs straight out the back of the van. Three-way fridge that runs on gas and 12 volt and 240 volt. It's even got a little ice making department. I can make ice in there quite easily for those hot summer nights. Not that we get many of those. Yeah, and that's basically it. Under the table, this pulls out. That lifts off as well. I can take that off. So if I want a bit of extra room, that comes off. It goes back, and that simply slides in there like that. And I've got all that. When I'm sitting down doing my shoes up, because I'm old, I need to sit down when I do my laces up. And I've got these big waders that I wear when I go in the river. I think that's about it. That's my van. Yeah, 2 months. Quite pleased with that. That blind at the back, that opens up. So when the back doors are open, I can look out at the ocean. So I sit in bed reading my book. I've got lights up there. Oh, that hole in the roof, that's another vent. I haven't put a cover on it yet. Yeah, I must do that. My skylight, pleased with that. That's permanently vented. It's a permanently vented skylight, so even when it's closed, it's still ventilating. And with this, my fan and my other vent at the back there, no problem with condensation whatsoever. That's all the instruction manuals. Yeah, that's not very good, is it? I can't think that out. It's a bit rubbish. Oh well. Yeah, that's it. That's me van. Happy days. Happy camping. There you go, one more last look before I sort it out. My compass carpet, so I don't lose direction. Well, I hope you like it. I do. I'm proud of it. So in the back of the van, I've got all this room. Oh, there's my toilet. That's my grey water tank. And that's the blind at the back. So when that's open, you can sit in bed or with the doors open and have a nice view. That's pretty much the back of the van. Plenty of room. Plenty of storage space. So there you go, that's my van. I'm really proud of it. I'm pleased as punch how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. So much so, I'm going to build another one, but a bigger one. I want to do a bigger one now. And when I build that bigger one, I'm going to try my hardest to do videos on the progression and what I do and how I build it. So if you're interested, hit subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button, so when I do upload some more videos, you'll be notified and you can follow my progression. That's if you're interested. Yeah, so there you go. Happy camping. Ta-ta for now. See you on the next build.